that playing everything, right? You must fill in for Freddy tonight. I am begging you.
Well, I don't know. I'm worried because I've never played an accordion. I don't think I can.
Oh, you can? Fabuloso. I knew you could do it, Carmen. I never doubted you for a second.
That's not what I said. Are you even listening to me?
No. Anyway, thank you for playing the accordion tonight, Carmen. Frida will dance on her barrels, and the show will be wonderful. Now, I will go back to adjusting my bow tie.
Let us meet at Olympia Park later. It should be a good place to practice tonight's routine.
Okay, but...
Okay, but nothing. It's wonderful. I shall sing there. Excellent musician, butterfly girl.
Scored up at the storage unit auction. Bought a storage unit for $55 friggin', ladies and gentlemen. I already got offered $50 for something that was in the unit already. We're gonna go start cleaning out some of the stuff as we speak. Sorry about the crappy view. There's dead bugs and shit all over the window. Not good today. Not friggin' good. Let's go check this shit out. You never know what you're gonna find in a storage unit. These guys bought a unit. They got beds and shit. Oh my goodness. Bunch of shit. We're going to ours, which is right over here. 17. Bam! Storage unit wars time, folks. What? Here we are at the storage unit I just purchased, folks. Bam! All kinds of shit here. Door's about to fall in on me. We even got an oxygen tank. I got offered $50 for this tank already. What? I gotta brace this door up. Car full of money.
When you see me, nigga, you better holler at me.
You better be where were you? We better not follow.
Someone gotta be careful, can let the evil learn money trap. So when you see me, nigga, you better holler at me. Curious, spitting lyrics on the verge of furious. I'm addicted to currency, nigga, that's why we doing this. Got something I surprise.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, scrapping 2021 with John the Picker. Look at the friggin' load of metal I got loaded up. We got grills on there, lawnmowers, and everything you could think of. Dryers. What? Even got a shitter in there. Holy shit, we even got the shitter loaded up today. Microwaves. What? I even had a bee's nest over here in the friggin' scrap pile today. Show you that, and then we'll head off to the scrap yard. Hopefully the bees are all gone. What? Sitting here scrapping, go to open this up, and Bee City. I sprayed them, left it open during the rain. Yeah, that's what I opened up the friggin' grill to. It was like there, and it like came up with the grill. Holy shit. Bees in there. Let's hope none of these other grills got bees. We gotta get this load to the scrap pile. I made a little dent. 2,000 pounds later. I don't know. Up to the scrapyard I go. Shitload OSB. You guys wouldn't believe the amount of OSB that's right there. It's about $1 grand's worth. Alright. At the recycling center. We're gonna go around the back side. Oh no, we might be able to get in right where that van is at. They got so much friggin' scrap metal here, it's unbelievable, folks. Maybe I'm not going to be able to get in there today. You gonna smile? You gonna smile, kid? Who's that? Who's that? Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, baby. I'm going for a light.
Ah, don't let her get you. What you doing, Harp? Harper. Hey. Hey, kiddo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, 3 days of scrap and scrap metal. That's what I got today. Friggin' $56.40 for some steel tin. It's 120 a ton. I took in a bunch of random metals the other day. Wire, cast aluminum wheel. One rim weighed 13 pounds. $3.90 for it. Got an $87 check, a $56 check, and a $28 check, equaling over to 2,700 pounds of scrap metal, ladies and gentlemen, and I still got a shitload left. They don't take fridges or freezers. I ain't planning on taking that in. Trust me, folks. He would kick my ass if I did that. I got a dryer here. It's got a stainless steel thing in there. I'm trying to get out a bunch of grills. Check this one out. Oh, bees nest are falling out of that son of a bitch. Those were live at one time. I sprayed them with a bunch of shit. Hopefully nothing comes out of there. There's snakes in here, bees, whatever you could possibly think of. Look at my pile of scrap. What? All free. All free. Shitload of aluminum in there. I gotta dig down to the aluminum siding. I'm gonna take in one big ass load of aluminum, a couple more loads is tin. I've already made almost $200. Let's see what I can get now. It's nice when you ain't got neighbors to complain and bitch all the time. What? Nice when you ain't got neighbors and you can collect a few lawnmowers and shit. A couple free things here and there. Shit, I already made 200 bucks. I'm about to make me 200 more. I ain't gonna stop scrapping till all this metal is gone. We'll see how much money I make. What? Oh yeah. All the metal is going. Grills and everything. Look at this truck. It's full of shit. Truck's full of metal. That's the only thing that's staying is the friggin' truck. Got grills way over there in the woods and shit. Grills, grills, grills. Chairs, chairs, chairs. Aluminum, aluminum. What? We gotta keep on taking this shit in. I'm John the Picker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more scrapping. The OSB. Got enough OSB in there to build half a house probably. Shit's going for $30 some a sheet. Yeah, we collect that too. We'll collect that too. Alright, YouTubers, we're on our way to running our 4th load of scrap metals. So far I've made almost $200 friggin' dollars. I still got a shitload of scrap left. What? It's all aluminums. But I got my truck loaded up with crap. I'm about to take it into the scrapyard, see what I get. Another load, folks. Another load. I got lawnmowers in there, dryers, old bicycles. Thinking about keeping them ones. Got a little bit of scrap left. I made a little hole in the pile. Made a little hole in the friggin' pile. In town, they wouldn't let me do this shit. I can save up all the scrap I want, because I am the neighbor. I am the neighbor out here, folks. I own the property next to me. I am the friggin' neighbor. Oh yeah. Look at that shit. Save up my scrap metals now. You can tell me shit. Alright, let's see how much money we can make at the old recycling center today. Got a shitload of cars here. Over there.
10?
Yep.
Big pile.
Alrighty. 64.80. Friggin' scrapyard looks like in my town. I'll throw it in the big pile. Back right up to that beast. Bog in here in a minute. Oh, what they got in the scrap pile? Freaking quad. What a quad. Full of vehicles, folks. Look at all the cars they got here. Holy shit. It's a shitload of cars. There goes all our parts, boys. Look at this guy. What? Got a little thing on the top of his rig. Scrapping 101, ladies and gentlemen. I got all this friggin' aluminum siding. There's my dog Cooper, in case anybody is wondering. Coop! Coop! What do you see, a snake? Big ass bee. Better stay away from him. He's gonna get you. Anyways, I freaking got all this aluminum siding. And it's got insulation on the back. What? And the insulation is glued down. Got a big jet taken off. So I use this little thing I got from a garage sale for $1. Come in here. Some of it's easy to get off. Some of it not so easy. I scrape it. And when I get done, it looks like that. What? It's kind of hard to do it. Scrape it and friggin' record at the same time. A lot of it I can just pop off. Holy shit. Been hearing a lot of that lately. Frick's going on. Bitches. Yep. Lots of insulation. They don't want that shit when they're buying clean aluminum. Yeah. It's a war zone in John Picker's neighborhood. Got some aluminum siding to clean up now. I've been waiting to do this because I knew it was going to be a pain in the friggin' ass. Can't see nothing, but you can hear it. You can sure as shit hear it. Oh, cool. No friggin' clue. Yep, I got a lot of shit to scrap. I already took 3,000 plus pounds out of here. Got 3,000 more to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, scrap load number 6. Got a couple grills and microwaves and shit up on this one. Scrap load number 6. I got a little bit of scrap left here and a bunch left over yonder. What? I didn't get to tape my pile of aluminum because the friggin' couldn't find my camcorder, but we got her now. I got $100 and some off the aluminum. So far, I still got a big ass pile of it. Let's take this in and see what we get. Tin time, and I got some copper wireage shit on the front seat. Little electric motor, cast, copper. What? Let's take this shit in. Oh, we're at the friggin' scrapyard, folks. At the scrapyard. Let's see what we can do here today. We can make a lot of friggin' monies. Ouch. Oh, money. Yeah, I got a few things for inside, like some copper and a couple rotors and a motor.
Hey, be careful. They already got one guy a ticket today.
Yeah. I was thinking about that the whole way up here. Now I'm scared.
Cop got him.
The whole time.
Be careful.
I will, man.
Way over yonder.
Okay. Way over yonder. Wherever it's driest. Scrap vehicles here. Look at that Blazer, folks. That friggin' Blazer unit. It's gotta be worth a few $100. Scrap. Look at all the vehicles. What? Old Chevy and shit. I can't believe somebody scratched that Blazer right there. Holy shit. It's a beast. Alright, now that I got everything thrown out, friggin' get my dead weight and then weigh up my copper. That's a disappointment about that Blazer. Get a couple $100 for that thing. Alright, little bumper on her. Little bumper on her. Sounds like a friggin' dragon something. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, scrapping 2021 with John Picker. Check out all the shit that we took in. What? We made all kinds of monies. $138, $60-some, $126 off some aluminum siding. What? I still got scrap metals. Look at it all. Big ass pile of aluminum siding there. There's aluminum there. Stainless steel over there. I would have never been able to keep all this shit if I lived in town. They're signing newbie light notices and everything. What? They don't like you scrapping and making $1,000 friggin' dollars. They want you to sit at home and do nothing for some reason. I don't understand that. Same thing happened with strawberries. I tried selling those and they kicked me out of the parking lot, and next week somebody else was up there selling shit and they didn't throw them out. It's kind of weird, but yep, I still got a ton of scrap metal left. Grills and everything. Look at it all. Got all the siding for free from a guy I work for. What? Half of this shit I got for free when I got the truck. When I got the friggin' truck. Oh yeah. They basically gave me hundreds of dollars worth of scrap metal and then I bought the truck from them. But yep, we got to keep on scrapping on. I've been saving all the good shit. Taking it in separate. All my wireage and aluminums and stuff. I got piles here and then I got piles over here across the friggin' drive. What? We got piles over there even. Holy shit. Scrapping will continue. I'm John Picker. Shouts out to everybody that's subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're back to scrapping again. I made $300 right there. Plus whatever else I made in the last video off the other 3 checks. I have no idea. I forget. Sometimes I forget. This must be from smoking them Cheech and Chongers. What? I'm out.